A musician and not a pamazi.
Then
A pamazi.
You don't have fancy.
Minty
fancy. Do you come on, besomi do you? Besomi boy, do you? Hey, besomi make I show you love again.
I had a power. Our boyfriend.
But your debut.
In your boyfriend, a single.
Single prangle.
Single. Into musician be nka one never crash. Metsi book kidneys in a check kidia.
There be me peninium, but say person me dating there be this year. When person me dating bia this year.
In Peshata so.
There
I
don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Okay, people. You see, this is DJ Parker Rich right here at the Parker Rich Studios. Nande, me were one beautiful damsel be this woman, no one you felt. She's pretty. Please, what fraud and what's your name?
My name is Jainy. I'm a friend me Jainy Affair. Jainy Affair.
And a musician and not a pamazi.
Then
A pamazi.
You don't have fancy.
Minty
fancy.
Epamazi means a seamstress, you know. That's how you say it in fancy, seamstress.
Okay.
Epamazi.
Epamazi.
Yeah. You, for example, your lips and fancy would have been that beauty, this beauty. Goes with fancy.
But Eastern region, this beauty also goes with Eastern region.
We have enough of flowers there. Let's keep this one. Atasa.
Patrino.
You know Atasa. Have you heard of Atasa?
Is it not a comic
on social
phrase?
Media.
Yeah.
It's different from Atasa. Atasa means, have you understood what I'm saying?
Patrino.
Correct.
Hey.
So,
Yeah.
Merabe, she's a singer. Otto nyom kama. Nti mebama wato na nyom nice one atrawan. If you like the song, go to the comment section. Na ko follow no wo. Our TikTok, right?
Yes, TikTok,
Instagram and all
Facebook,
that.
everywhere.
Into to one nyom na atrawan.
I go sing your name, Daniela, la 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 la. If you wanna be my Cinderella, la 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 la. Ah, odoyewu, besomi mu, odoyewu, besomi mu, boy, odoyewu, besomi mu, make I show you love again, na na na, odoyewu, come on, besomi mu, odoyewu, besomi mu, boy, odoyewu, besomi mu, make I show you love again, na
I
na
had
na.
a power. Our boyfriend.
But your debut.
In your boyfriend, a single.
Single prangle.
Single. Into musician be nka one never crash. Metsi book kidneys in a check kidia.
There be me peninium, but say person me dating there be this year. When person me dating bia this year.
In Peshata so.
There be person bia. This year minimum. Minimum.
Body in your firewood though. Body.
God is with me.
God is your salvation, no? Okay. So, like I told you, Nanyam we're out. One corner supporting. Now she has beautiful song. Our EP Fufubi was out. Our friend the real Jainy, 5-track EP.
Yeah.
It's on the digital stores. Ofi Ghana in Nigeria together.
Yeah.
You understand? So you can't tell her to leave. This one, Nigeria must not go. Because for her, if you push her to Nigeria, and they also start Ghana must go, then she has to stay between Togo and Benin. Because both her fatherland and motherland are rejecting her. So that one no go hopping for here. Just enjoy her good music. That's all that she wants from you.
Yeah.
And see, Put on your social media handles. Let them follow you.
It is The Real Jainy, TheRealJainy, on most of it. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook is Jainy Ofe. Yes.
All right, into a Rabba of Faye.
Yes.
She's out with that beautiful song. Which day were you born?
Monday.
Monday into a friend Adjoa of Faye.
That's right.
Adjoa Jainy of Faye.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So that's Mami Adjoa. For our Nigeria is in be a local Nigerian name.
Amarachi.
Okay, in here Amarachi Adjoa. Adjoa Amarachi. Yes. All right. So guys, we're out of here.
Bye.
Bye.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. He said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.